Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you this is step by step how to minimize the Google ads that are showing up on your website. So maybe you don't like how they are showing up, or maybe they are too much on your website. So you want to minimize the ads on your website. So here is how you can do that. So I'm going to show you two ways that you can minimize the Google ads on your website, and so you can improve your visitors experience. User experience on your website will be very appreciated. So let me show you how to do that very quick. So the first thing to get started with is to go to your Google AdSense account, and you want to click the ads here. You want to click ads at the left side of this bar here. So here is the codes that are going to be using. So as you can see right here, all my website ads auto add are on all my website here. So here is where you can edit your website ad here at the right side of this box here. So you want to click edit. So you want to choose your website here and hit edit here. So here at the right side, you can turn on or turn off the auto add. Then if you turn it off, then you are going to be using the ad inserter to manage your ad on your website. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you turn it on, then you can adjust how they look like on in here. So you want to adjust the ad format here. So here you can turn ad in-page ad on or off if you like. If you don't like how they appear on your website, in-page ad are ads that appear within the main body of your content and pages. So if you don't like how they appear, you can turn it on multiplex ad. So here are grid ad based ad units that show up on your content, recommended style and native ad. So they are like Amazon ads. They look recommended ad like. So you can turn this on or off. As you can see right here, I've already turned it on my website. So here on Anchor ad, you can turn it on or off. Anchor ad that sticks to the edge of the user screen and easily dismissible. Widescreen ad, you can turn it on and off if you don't like how they look like. There are ads that appear on the screen wider than 1000 pixels like desktop and the rest of them. Vignette, you can turn it on or off. Full screen ad that appear between page load. So if you don't like how they look like, you can just turn it on here, click here, and they will turn on or off on your website. Okay. So widescreen ad, you can turn it on or off. So here is where you can adjust the ad load of your website. If the ad load is too low, so you want to improve it here. So you want to can minimize or maximize the ad load on your website. So here at the bottom here, you can you can include or exclude pages here. So let's say you have some pages that you don't want ads to show up on your website. You can just type in the URL here, add or include. Also, you can just type in the URL of the pages or posts that you don't want ads to show up. And when you finish, you are going to click add. So all those pages that you add here, ads won't show up on those pages and posts on your website. So that's how you do it. Let me quickly show you the second method that you can use to minimize ad on your website is to use the ad inserter. So let's go over to one of my websites here and use the ad inserter to install the ad inserter. The ad inserter will help you to install the Google ad into your website. So in that case, you have to turn off the auto ad on your website. So you go to your Google AdSense account and turn off the auto ad. If you want to use ad inserter, the auto ad must be turned off. Okay, so that it don't cause any issue on your website. To download the ad inserter on your website, you want to go to the plugins area here. And when you click plugins, scroll down to add new plugin. So you want to add new plugin. add new. So here you want to add new plugin. These are all plugins that are on my side. So I want to add new. You click the top here, add new. So now from here you can add the add. So you just type add inserter. And the add inserter is going to show up here. I've already downloaded the plugin on my website. So let's go over to my website and see how it looks like. See if you can set it up. So here is the settings area. You want to go to settings. So here is where you're gonna be generating art for your website. So yeah, this is the code right there. Block 1. So you'll be creating block for your site. So this is block 1 right there. You want art to show on the post, homepage, slash page, category. So we're going to shake the place that you want art to show up. Okay. I want art to show up at homepage, search page, categories, tag, post, statistic page, widget, shortcode. All this you are going to set it up. Okay. So when you finish with the block 1, you create block 1 and save setting. I'm going to paste the code here and create and take the page that you want to show up. Then you scroll down here and click save setting. And the block 1 has been set. So now all this block that you set, you are going to insert it on your website. Let's go back to my site again. So let's say you want ads to show up at the top. You are going to insert one block, maybe block 1 is inserted to this header of your website. Another block, you are going to insert it to the right of if you want art to show up at the right bar here, you are going to insert it. You go to your widget and insert the block 2 to the right side. Block 3, maybe you want it to show down here, and you insert it. Block 4, maybe you want it to show art to show up at the footer area, then inside the block 4, and so on and so forth. So that's how you set up. As you can see, I've already set up art. So set this art up to show up at the right at the front area here, and one is gonna show up here at the left side. So that's how you minimize Google Ads on your website if the ad is showing up too much on your website. So if you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please let me know down below. Drop all your comment in the comment section. So subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.